Welcome everyone to Balance by Meghan. I'm Meghan. Today I am taking you through a guided meditation for mental clarity. So this is a great meditation if you're feeling overwhelmed, if you're feeling really stuck in life, and you're looking for a little clarity on what you desire in life. So grab a nice comfortable position and let's get started. Before we get started, just go ahead and find a nice comfortable position. So you can choose to be cross-legged for today's guided meditation. You can choose to lay down if that feels really good to you. Just you want the spine to be nice and long, and you don't want anything obstructing your breathing. So go ahead and find it. Take notice of your breath as it moves naturally through your body. So we're not trying to control it, just notice how it naturally moves in and out of your body. And then bring your focus, bring your attention to your belly. As you inhale, expand the belly. And as you exhale, draw the navel to your spine. Inhale to expand the belly. Exhale to draw your navel to your spine. Inhale to expand the belly. Exhale, draw your navel to your spine. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Exhale to let all the air go. Now count the breath. Think inhale 1. Exhale 2. Inhale 3. Exhale 4. Keep counting and keep your breath going. Notice the mind finding stillness. Like clouds on a summer day in the baby blue sky, your thoughts begin to drift away until the vast sky is exposed. And if you find that you dance away with your thoughts, that's okay. Again, no judgment. Just notice. And then anchor back into your breath by counting again and allowing those clouds to drift away. And now notice in the mind, like the flick of a lighter, a clear, calm mind. Like the glow of this lighter, clarity spreads from it, erasing any thoughts, any sluggish energy from its path. Your mind is clear and not consumed by any external influence. Instead, creativity and mental clarity spread through the mind, and calmness spreads through the body. As this clarity spreads through your body, as your mind finds stillness, your lighter glows brighter. The brighter it glows, the more it seeps to all parts of the mind, clearing away any confusion and any overwhelm. Just taking one more deep, conscious belly breath. And then bringing awareness back into your body. Beginning to wiggle your fingers and toes. Perhaps gently nodding your head from side to side. And when your meditation feels completed to you, fluttering open the eyelashes and continuing on with your day. Before you go, if you enjoyed this meditation, I would love if you took a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to be notified when I post free content every Wednesday. Make sure you share this with someone who is looking for a little mental clarity in their life, and I will see you again soon. Namaste.